Did you know? A single ACTi System Health Management server can completely transform how cities, schools, and factories manage surveillance. First, let's talk about one of its core features, comprehensive device health monitoring. Whether you're managing a city surveillance center, a school server room, or a factory control hub, you'll immediately see if devices are overheating, disconnected, or malfunctioning, ensuring no critical footage is missed due to system issues. Second, you'll get email notifications the moment an issue occurs. The system instantly alerts your responsible personnel, whether it's school security, city IT staff, or a factory supervisor, helping you reduce response time and prevent further disruption. Third, you get automated charts and PDF reports at your fingertips. Whether you're handling school equipment audits, factory TPM reviews, or municipal cybersecurity reports, ACTi SHM generates weekly and monthly health summaries with one-click export, saving time and effort. Fourth, the system uses a simple licensing model. Each monitored server, CMS, NVR, TV wall, requires just one LMS
50,000
license code. Configure it once, and the server is permanently integrated into the health monitoring platform. Fifth, installation is fast and non-disruptive. Each target server just needs the plugin installed, no downtime, no interference with current recording or scheduling. You can deploy the solution without affecting operations in schools, factories, or city systems.
Sixth, the SHM 102 Health Management Server
Is the brain of the system. It connects with plugins to monitor all CMS, NVR, and TV wall operations across multi-site structures. One SHM, can oversee everything, true centralized health monitoring made simple. Seventh, it also supports advanced camera models. ACTi SHM monitors the health of panoramic cameras up
to 12 MP,
ensuring your high-resolution devices, installed in auditoriums, factory hotspots, or city plazas, are always operational and protected. Click the link below the video to learn more about how ACTi System Health Management is already making an impact in real-world deployments.